Hi, in this CAS4 guide video, I'm going to show you how to do an audit using the CAS4 Android application. Let's start by opening the app. Okay, you'll need to be connected to the internet for logging in and to synchronize your data. Once you're connected to the internet, you'll notice the little box on the top right hand corner will go green. Okay, so once you are connected to the internet, put in your email and your password. Now you'll also see there is a show password box. You can tick that to check your password if you'd like to see it. There's also a remember email box if you'd like the app to remember your email for next time. Then tap the login button and the app will authenticate with the server and log you in. Okay, once you're logged in, your username will show at the top and you'll see a list of all the organizations you have access to. Now, most people will only see one organization there, but if you have more than that, it'll show. So tap the organization you're going to be auditing. The app will then get up-to-date information from the server. You'll then be taken to the select location screen where you can select where you are. So the first level will usually be building for most organizations. So tap the name of the location to select it. The next box will be shown. Tap it to select the next level, so usually which floor you're on. Now, if the schedule is populated, there'll be information that shows next to the name about the schedule, but we'll talk about that in another video. So keep selecting down the location levels until you get to your bottom level. Now the bottom level shows the schedule information, which includes which locations are planned and which ones have been done. There'll be two buttons that will show at the bottom, a green button for an environmental audit and a purple button for a mark for UV. So tap the button for the action you'd like to take. For now, we'll do an environmental audit. Okay, this is the audit screen. You can tap the little information button, which will give you information about the standard. Tap back to close it. So tap on the pass button to pass that item, the not applicable button to mark it as not applicable, or the fail button to fail the item. If you failed an item, you'll be taken to the audit item screen where you can enter information and comments. You can still change the score and check the description. Failed environmental audit items require a why and where comment. You can enter your comments into the text boxes, or you can tap on the bank buttons to add from a list of provided comments. Just saves you typing a little bit. So you'll need to put a why and a where comment for something if you fail it. There's also an additional comments field. That's where you might put any additional comments you have. You don't need to fill that one out unless you want to. Once you're done, tap the Save button to return to the audit screen. Back on the audit screen, the comments button will glow blue and you'll see that it's got a red under the fail. Now you can also add comments to other items no matter whether they've passed or failed, just by clicking that comment button. Let's score the rest of the items. We'll pass these so we can move through them fairly quickly once they're all scored. Okay, so if you miss any, the app will tell you that you've missed them and they'll glow pink like that. Once you've got them all, tap the Complete Audit button to save the audit. You'll be returned to the Select Location screen. So the new audit will show in the Latest Audits panel with its upload status as pending. Once it's been uploaded, the status will change and you'll see a date next to it. Thanks for watching. We hope it was helpful. If you've got any questions, feel free to get in touch.